So we've been trying for like 3 weeks to get wheels for the C10 that we did the Ella swap on this summer, and they finally came in today. I haven't even looked at them yet. I'm kind of excited. It's like the videos my kids watch, the unveiling of toys. We try to get Krager's. Oh man. So we got 18 by 10s for the back and 18 8s for the front. If you can see those, they're gonna look pretty sick. Then go get a lift swap and get some tires, and we got a pretty nice C-notch kit from I don't remember where we got that from. Anyways, C-notch kit for the Chev, and then hangers. You know, we got some other crap in here. Oh yeah, we got springs. I think these are 3-inch drop springs for the front. It's gonna be stupid low, but hopefully we don't have to do too many modifications to it, but it's gonna be sick. So we're gonna start on that. Once we get tires, we're gonna get started on that, and I'll post a pretty super sweet video of it. We'll probably do another time-lapse video of it. But I think we got something else in here too. Oh yeah. On top of the drop springs, we got drop spindles to go even lower. So it's gonna be nasty. It's gonna be low as hell. So anyways, I'll post a super sweet video when we get the truck in here, and it's gonna be low. So anyways, Trash Metal Customs. Oh, did I say it was gonna be low? I can't remember. Anyways, Trash Metal Customs.